Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing Instagram notes. So notes is a new feature which has been released by the Instagram, and if you're not able to find it, you can easily just get it over your ID. Just go to the Play Store here, now search Instagram. And after in the place of open, if you get this option of update, then update the app right now. And even though if you still didn't got this feature, you have to just scroll a little bit down, click on the beta version, the beta tester. So you have to join it. So I've already joined it, that's why I'm just getting this here new option. And basically in the what happened in the beta, whenever the new feature gets released, Instagram gives us the permission so that we can use in the first basis or initial basis, right? And after doing it, it will definitely give your whatever the new notes feature that you want. And this is it guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.